Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we will learn how to ask someone about their age using Arabic Modern Standard Language. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can receive all the new videos that we make. Alright, first of all, what is ماهو؟ ما هو ما هو. What is your age? ما هو سنك؟ ما هو سنك. ما هو سنك؟ ما هو سنك؟ ما هو سنك؟ ما هو سنك؟ Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. And stay safe. Don't forget that you can follow us on Instagram for more posts like these.